Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be making some delicious homemade corn dogs. I'm sure you don't want to miss out on this, so make sure you stay tuned. So here we have our flour, we have our corn flour, we have water, breadcrumbs, sausage, egg, milk, sugar, pepper, and toothpicks. So I'm going to be adding in my salt into my flour. Then I'm going to be adding the corn flour into the flour as well, and then sugar. And after the sugar, I'll be putting in my milk. You guys should check out the description box below for the measurement of all of these ingredients. So after putting in my milk, I then added water. I'm going to be adding the water bit by bit. But here I had to fast forward it because it was so long. But make sure as you are stirring this mixture, you are stirring it gently. You don't need to rush. Don't look at the way it looks like on the screen because I fast forwarded it. And after that, you can see the way I'm turning it bit by bit. No rush, just do it little by little. Then after that, I'm going to be adding in my pepper. And then stir it gently because I don't want it to like have seeds, so you have to stir it gently. And I added a bit of water. Then I stirred and stirred. Make sure you stir it gently until it starts to look like what is on the screen right now. Stir it gently, and then I had to turn it into this cup so it can be easy for me to dip in my sausage mixture when the time comes. So I poured it in. Can't you see how sleek it looks? This is how yours should look like if you're trying this out. And I would encourage you guys to try this recipe out because what it is delicious. It makes sense. It is everything you need. Trust me. Alright, then now I had to whisk my egg. Whisk it in thoroughly. Then it's time to slice my sausages. I sliced them into 3, but you can also slice them into 2. You can also decide not to slice them, just depends on you. And this was what they look like after slicing. And then it's time to use my toothpicks. These are the sticks I'll be using. But if you choose not to slice yours, you won't be making use of a toothpick. You are going to be making use of a skewer stick. That is what you will use to hold the long sausage. But since we cut it, we're using a toothpick today. And I had little assistance from my baby boy. He's always eager to do me in the kitchen. And then after that, it was ready for the whole process to begin. And then here I lit up my gas, and my oil was still getting hot, and then I had to start doing the whole process. I mixed my sausage into the egg that I already whisked. As you can see, I'm rubbing it in carefully. Rub it in so well. Then I put it into the breadcrumbs. I also rub it into the breadcrumbs. After rubbing them into the breadcrumbs, so I dipped it into our already kept mixture, and then I put it in the frying pan to fry. Just continue this process until you are done with your sausage that you already cut. As you can see, I dipped it in. It is actually fun to make. Trust me, you would love it if you try to do this. So make sure you try to do this. And then when you see that it starts to get brown, you turn it to the other side until it looks like this. It's going to have this golden brown kind of color. And then you bring it out. Oh my god, this is so beautiful, trust me. And it tastes as beautiful as it looks. Just trust me on that. And voila! Wow, our beautiful homemade corn dog. Oh, I'm sure you're craving for this right now. So make sure you try yours. Do not waste time. And also do not forget to subscribe to this channel and comment, like this video, share. I'm sure it will be useful to somebody else there. But meanwhile, keep on salivating. Salivate until you go and make yours. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Can't you see how yummy this looks? Anyways, I'll see you in my next video. Stay tuned. Bye.